After watching this video, anyone will start earning 100% guarantee. So,
I recently found a method of making between $5,000 to $10,000 every day on YouTube in just under 10 minutes, without even showing your face or even talking, by simply uploading videos with rain sounds. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can do this even with a brand new YouTube channel using your laptop or your smartphone. The first thing you are going to have to do is go to YouTube and search for this channel called Relaxing White Noise. Once again, the channel is called Relaxing White Noise. As you can see, Relaxing White Noise is a YouTube channel that creates and posts ambient music videos onto YouTube. These are videos that will be playing some very relaxing music tones in the background, and most people enjoy listening to these in order to relax or even meditate to them. I am going to show you a very easy way to create these videos.
Very easy.
You are not going to be recording your own music here, or even playing your own instruments, but I am going to show you where to get all the assets you will need to create such videos. But for now, let me show you how much earnings these channels are generating every single month. So, let us go to socialblade.com, and now, let us type in the channel's name into the search box here. And now let us look at these amazing figures here. Look at this channel here. They have amazing earnings that are coming in consistently. They are making all this money from simple videos, which do not even require any fancy editing at all. As you can see, in this video, they only have a basic video and they then applied some simple sound effects, and that is basically it.
That is it.
They are getting a pretty good amount of views every single day. Here is another channel also. This one is called Soothing Relaxation. This channel is doing basically the same kinds of videos as Relaxing White Noise. And if we check out their stats on Social Blade, we are going to see here that their estimated earnings are even better. Actually, they are almost doubled the earnings of the previous channel we just looked at. Here is a third channel we can check out again. This one is called The Relaxed Guy. And if we take a look at their channel statistics on Social Blade, even this may be a small channel, these guys are raking in around 1 to 2,000 every single day posting these kinds of videos. Keep watching this video, and I will show you a brand new channel that I created recently, and how well it is already performing using this method. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so in order to make this method work for you, you are going to need a video editing software. Now, before you freak out here, let me tell you that I am going to show you a very good video editing software. And this software is totally free and you can download it online right now. Just simply go to Google and type in VSDC video editing software, and click on this search result in order to go to their website. Look for the download button and then download the latest version of this software onto your computer. After that, simply install it and then you are good to go. VSDC is a very powerful software and you will be able to export your videos without any watermark, which is very cool. Next, open up the software and I will show you how easy it is to create your first video. Now, we are going to create a rain and thunderstorm ambience video, which seems to be performing quite well on YouTube at the moment. We are going to need a high quality audio sound wave, and in order for your video to perform well, you need to use the best of audios. So let us go to epidemicsound.com. Epidemic Sound is a website that has over 35,000 high-quality songs and has over 90,000 high-quality sound effects. This basically means that you will never run out of songs and sound effects for your ambient videos. Epidemic Sound is a paid service, which means you are going to have to pay in order to access all these assets for your video project. But, since we are only looking for free and easy ways to make money, the good news is that there is a 30-day free trial period on this website, which you can select and use their services without even having to pay anything. Next, go to this search bar and search for rain music. And in the search results we have all the music that is associated with rain. But we are only interested in rain sound effects only. So look here, we have rain downpour, and here we have rain umbrella, and so on and so on.
So on, etc.
There are a lot of different rain sounds here, and so the next step is we just need to listen to the sound effects and see which one will be best for us. By the way, here is a bonus tip here. If you want to make your video unique and to stand out from others, you can choose to do a mixture of these sound effects, and so create a very beautiful soundscape. For now, let us download and use this one. Once we downloaded our rain sound, simply just drag and drop it onto our project over here. And as you can see, this audio is only 56 seconds long. Yet if you notice, most of these ambient rain sounds videos are between 8 to 10 hours long. And so in order to make this a long video, all we have to do is copy and paste the same audio a number of times until we reach the desired length. And once our audio is ready, we are going to need the visuals to go along with it. Let me now show you a very good website, which we will use to get some beautiful and relaxing overlay video to use. But before we do that, remember to smash the like button and to subscribe to our channel. And in the comments section below, I need you to type yes or no if you agree to the following positive statement. Also remember to comment your country name below, so that I can keep making more videos that work in your area. Now, let us get back to making money. Okay, let us go to Pexels.com. Pexels.com is a website where you can get free stock photos, videos and assets that are royalty-free, meaning that you can use them anywhere without any copyright claims and without even needing to credit their respective owners. You can also check out Unsplash.com and RawPixel.com for some extremely high-resolution images and videos that you could use. In the search bar here, let us type in rain. As you can see here, there are a lot of photos here to choose from. But because many ambient music channels are using simple images, we are not going to be downloading and using images with rain. Rather, we will use videos instead. So let us now click on this tab here and select videos, and we will get a list of all the rain videos on this website. Let us check out this video right here. This is a very good rain video that you can use in your video, and it is totally free to download and use, so we can choose to download it. Now, all you have to do is download the video to your computer or onto your smartphone, and then simply drag and drop it onto the timeline inside VSDC Video Editor. Now, because this video is a bit short, and in order to make it longer, we simply copy and paste it several times until we have reached our desired video duration again. After that, our video is ready, and we prepare to upload it onto YouTube. By the way, you can be as creative as you want here. You can choose to overlay these sounds as you like in order to create interesting soundscapes. Also, you can zoom in and out and add transitions to these video assets if you prefer, just as long as you are not going to over-edit it. For example, you can add some cool waterfall videos and images onto your timeline like this. And you can type and search for waterfall sounds, and then go on to add them into your video project. It's really simple to do. As proof that this method is powerful and an easy way to make money online, let me show you this channel that I created about 2 weeks ago. At the moment, you can see that I already have over 500 subscribers, and I have just uploaded at least 5 videos onto this channel. Here is the first video that I made and uploaded onto this channel. So far it has gained over 1,000 views. Here is the second video that I created and then uploaded a few days later onto this channel. As you can see, it has over 3,000 views, and this other video is doing very well already. I posted it a few days ago, and it has gotten over 100 likes. All this considering that I am not posting videos consistently on this channel, since I manage several online businesses. But you could try this method and work on it, taking your time every single day for the next 30 days to upload at least a video a day. Just imagine how much money you will be making at least by the end of this year. And that is all you have to do. Now, if you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Then click here to watch this next video to discover even more ways for you to make money online. See you in the next video.